Hello, my name is Massimo Peluso and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm very happy to announce that I've teamed up with a company called Betterman. They do all kind of like men's beauty products, but particularly in this one, I'm going to be talking through like a foot filer that they have, a foot kind of dead skin prevention thing. Kind of just removes all your dead skin basically. So it comes with this, as you can see here. It looks very like high end. So yeah, it comes with just the normal, just a button there, this lid that comes off here, a light so you know it's on, and it's very easy to use. So that's that. And then it comes with the changer. Hold on a sec. So that goes on top of there, so you can change it. So that comes with that as well as an additional, which is very nice of them. Oh, a second one as well. Sorry. The third one, I mean, sorry, wow. You've been spoilt here. Okay, and then a brush. Okay, so this is like a must, I suppose, like a brush just to clean it, because it's so annoying when like dead skin or hair just gets caught in the device. So it's always nice when they actually, you know, supply a brush. And then obviously the charger, a nice sleek kind of just simple charger. So it's nothing too like over the top or, you know, it's condensed, it's simple, and it seems really easy to use. But I love the box. It's very sleek. It's very just to the point. It's not like in your face. It's just very simple, and I do like that. So when you turn it on, it makes. So I take this off. So when I turn this on, it makes. It's quite powerful, as you can see, and it has a light on, so you can see that it's actually working. So now I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like actually on my foot, because it's all well and good, you know, showing you what it looks like, but I'm actually going to show you what it looks like using it. So please bear in mind that my feet are not perfect, that's why I'm using this. So kind of like bear in mind. So this will work like a charm for it. So if I just press that on, and there's two settings as well, it seems. And also there's different, it goes, so that's the first one, and then it's a little bit higher. So I'm just going to go for the first one just to see. So it looks like it's definitely working. Probably not great on my trousers, but I can clean that up. Look at that. How disgusting is that? That's just from a few seconds of it. So that just shows you how powerful it is and how great this is. So guys, I really do recommend this. This has really impressed me. I mean, I didn't think it was that bad, but now looking at this, I'm definitely going to be using this again. So overall, I really do recommend this product. It's worked really well. If you are interested in purchasing this product, please do look at the link below, their Instagram and their website, where you can see all of the information that you need.